Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohan Shohag with you. In this video, now I am telling you how to connect digital timer in water pump wiring circuit diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Digital timer, magnetic contactor, water pump motor. Phase connection to magnetic contactor, phase connection input to digital timer, output connection from timer to connect contactor, coil connection, neutral connection input to magnetic contactor, neutral connection between contactor 2 point, neutral connection to digital timer, neutral connection short digital timer 2 point, output connection from contactor to water pump motor, earthing connection input to water pump motor. Now this circuit is ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.